Hi, my name is Darren Joseph from HJ.tax. We're the team that seeks to demystify the sometimes confusing world of international tax. So today we're going to talk about US-Spain tax issues. And to guide us along this interesting road, we have Ricky. Ricky, please introduce yourself.
Well, my name is Ricky Gutierrez. I'm a tax advisor at Gutierrez Pujadas and Partners. It's a tax firm located in Barcelona, Spain. I've had international experience for almost 20 years. I'm here to try to answer most of the questions you guys have in terms of international tax and taxes between US and Spain. And well, I'm just here to help you in anything you guys need.
Fantastic. Can you tell us a bit about the exit tax for those leaving Spain?
So basically, the tax in Spain, it's mainly focused for individuals that are moving to low tax jurisdictions. For example, there's this thing that I think I've mentioned in previous webinars with you, Darren. It's the quarantine rule. People, they are living in Spain, decide to move to a tax haven jurisdiction for at least the 5 next years, they are still considered Spanish tax residents. So normally when you are going to move to another jurisdiction, you write a letter to the Spanish tax authorities stating that for the following year, you will not be a Spanish tax resident anymore and that you're moving to this other country. If this other country is a tax haven, then at least during the next following years, you will still be considered Spanish tax resident. But if you're going to other jurisdictions where there's a similar tax to what we have in Spain, then you don't need to pay any additional taxes.
Okay, and that's also interesting. These so-called blacklisted jurisdictions, the list for Spain is different from the EU list, is different from the OECD list. So for those interested, it's worth having a look at the Spain list.
If you go onto the Spanish tax authority's website, to the Agente Tributaria, you can check all the double tax treaties that the Spanish government has. And you can also check the blacklisted jurisdictions Spain has. The good thing with Spain is that we have over 100 double tax treaties, and we also have this thing where you can share information with other jurisdictions. So we mainly have with most of the important countries, we do have tax treaties. If you're moving to Cayman or things like that, obviously you will have this exit tax.
Yeah, and it's also worth noting that the tax treaty network, which is really, really comprehensive. I'm glad that you highlighted that. Spain does not have on its list of non-cooperative jurisdictions certain jurisdictions that are on the OECD or the EU blacklist. So because of the double tax agreement, the automatic exchange of information, they are not on the blacklist for Spain. So, it's really worth, as you said, checking specifically on the website and see which countries Spain is comfortable doing business with, that they have the agreements, and those that are definitely on that list of non-cooperative jurisdictions that you want to avoid.
Yeah, and for foreign people, normally they post the double tax treaty or the agreement both in Spanish and in English, so everybody can read and look at it.